Parrots, belonging to the order Psittacines, are highly intelligent and social birds characterized by their vibrant plumage, strong curved beaks, and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward. Scientifically, they exhibit remarkable cognitive abilities, with some species showcasing advanced problem-solving skills and the capacity for complex vocal mimicry. Parrots are found in diverse habitats, ranging from tropical rainforests to arid regions. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, seeds, nuts, and nectar. These avian species engage in intricate social behaviors, forming strong bonds with mates and displaying communal roosting tendencies. Furthermore, their remarkable ability to imitate human speech and other sounds reflects a sophisticated vocal learning capacity associated with a well-developed neural circuitry. The longevity, adaptability, and cognitive prowess of parrots